Good afternoon, it's 10 minutes to 2, 13:50 hours on Thursday, 16th of April 2020, and I'm about to make a immunity booster juice. I have a thick slice of white cabbage here. I have a big piece of ginger here. Ginger has polyphenols, which are a class of antioxidants, so that will help boost your immunity. I have 2 pieces of turmeric here. Turmeric has polyphenols as well, and the most famous of which is curcumin, and they are another class of antioxidants to help boost the immunity. I have 4 small tomatoes. They're not very large, just slightly bigger than the, the lime. I have 2 limes here, which I've cut up and removed the core and the seeds. The seeds all go in here together with the papaya seeds. I've got half a green papaya here, as well as 2 stalks of celery, which I've cut up, and a Granny Smith. Of all the apples varieties, the Granny Smith has the most polyphenols. Okay, so and also I'm gonna put in this immunity booster juice 1 curry. Curry is a Japanese cucumber. In fact, in Europe, this is if you say cucumber, this is what you get. It's only in Malaysia that we get the other variety of cucumber, and we call that cucumber. But this is what people call cucumber in Europe and in the UK especially. So I'm going to juice this up for my immunity booster juice, and I'm going to have a salad sandwich, Marmite salad and tomato sandwich for lunch. I'm going to add some extra ingredients in there, so I'll make another video about that later. So I'll tell you what the juice tastes like a little later. Oh, I'm going to add some black and white pepper as well to this juice, because the black pepper and white pepper increases the bioavailability of the curcumin in the turmeric, because curcumin is oil soluble, not water soluble, and somehow the piperine in white and black pepper increases the bioavailability by surrounding the molecule of curcumin and making it more water soluble than oil soluble. Okay, that's it for today. My juice, I'll give you the verdict shortly. Right, I'm almost ready to juice. I've added 2 more ingredients actually. I've added a pineapple skin here. I'm using the pineapple flesh in my fruit salad, and I've also added 1 jicama here. Jicama is spelled Jicama. It comes from South America, and in Malaysia we call it sengkuang, ubi sengkuang. Okay, so I'm about to juice this now, and I'll let you know what it tastes like. I've got all the other ingredients as before in there as well. This is my final juice. I've added black pepper as well as white pepper. I haven't had a taste yet, so I think I've made about 1.2, 1.3 liters here. So I'm gonna have a taste now and see whether it needs any Lee and Perrins or balsamic vinegar and let you know. Doesn't need anything. The ginger taste is a bit strong though, but there's a nice interplay between the ginger and the lime juice, especially the slight bitterness of the lime rind, the key lime rind. There's not much sweetness in this juice though, other than those two interplaying flavors. You can't taste the cabbage, which is a good thing. I did put quite a bit of cabbage this time around. And you can't taste the turmeric, which are the two important things because those are the two ingredients with the most unpleasant taste. However, despite the unpleasant taste, those are the ones which are beneficial. The white cabbage has sulforaphane, and more about sulforaphane will be in the link given shortly. And the the turmeric has polyphenols, particularly curcumin, and the black pepper and white pepper are there so that the body can more easily absorb the curcumin. Curcumin, as you may know, is an oil-soluble compound, not water-soluble, so it's not easily absorbed by the body unless there's black pepper or white pepper, which both contain piperine. The piperine will somehow surround the curcumin molecule and make it more water soluble. Acts like an emulsifying agent almost. Anyway, that's my juice for today, and I'm gonna keep the rest because I've been told not to drink juice all in one go, but to take a glass every hour. This is so that you don't get an overload of a particular nutrient at any one time, and the body has better chance of absorbing it rather than excreting the excess. So I'm going to keep these in the fridge and have it over the next couple of hours.